Hi there. My name is Queenie and I am from the Philippines. Are you really interested in learning the Filipino language? Do you have any plan to visit the Philippines or migrate here? Well, your teacher Queenie is here for you. I am a Filipino language tutor online, but I am also a 120-hour TESOL TEFL certified. At the moment, I am currently enrolled at AMA University under their online education program and I am taking up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, majoring in Human Resource Management. My way of teaching the Filipino language is very easy. You will not be pressured at all. I can help you with your pronunciation, your spelling, your grammar, but most of all with your conversational skills. My way of teaching is mostly on conversations. So it's just like a normal lesson. It will not be so hard for you. I can teach all ages from beginners to advanced. Kaya ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Nandito lang ako nakahandang tulungan ka. I want to show you how easy and fun learning the Filipino language is. I'll be waiting for you in my class. Book a lesson now. And bye for now.